So quick.
Oh, oh. We're heading back. We thought that we had time to go to the lighthouse. That's our favorite. Now, they actually wrote super cool. Actually, there's nice bikes and so we got fresh buko. Well, not stay, but we had
So quick.
oh, oh. It's a crab, it's a crab, it's a crab. It was actually small and quite big. It ran away now. It was kind of invisible.
You wanna get it? We fly it later.
Where? Oh, it's gone. Oh man. There it is, there it is. It's going so quick. Wow. Let's go.
I think we need to have
Cool.
competition. Whoever catches more crab.
Well, we're walking now. We're heading back. We thought that we had time to go to the lighthouse, but the lighthouse is a bit far, so we have to reschedule our stop for tomorrow. So this afternoon we're going to have a bit of a break. Maybe I'm swimming in the swimming pool. Yeah, and that's pretty much it, isn't it? Because we had a nice walk. And dinner later. Yeah. Later on, you're gonna swim in the pool? Yep. Okay, we're going swimming in the swimming pool. We're gonna, you know what? We haven't asked what time it closes. Yeah. Swimming pool. Only opens until like 10 o'clock, but we've had a nice time here, and you can see nice view here. The view is absolutely beautiful. You know, I'll show the view again, but it's really nice. Cool. This out. Look where we are again. We are at Jollibee. There's Mom and over there. We're about to eat some Jollibee again. Super meal. Again and again. But but we got the super meal and we always get that one there. That's our favorite with one chocolate and one peach mango pie. And that's what we got.
There's no halo.
Unfortunately, there's no halo halo here for her. But mang inasal halo halo is the best, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. Because the ice is just consistently
You
big.
know what I would do if it was mine?
If it was mang inasal, right? Somewhere here, we just go get it just like that in an instant. All right. There's a family. It's time for us to eat now. Aha! Now, they actually wrote super spicy.
Let's see.
Let's see if it's super spicy.
Oh yes.
All right. Let's see if this super meal is really super spicy. I'm expecting it for it to happen. And whoa, look at all that. Look at all that chili powder and everything. Yep, yep, yep.
Safer.
Look at that. Let's see. Oh man, yeah. Oh wow, that is.
Yeah?
There's the Rhodes one. I also asked if the Rhodes spicy one. Crap. That was just a peppery. Is that what we're talking about? Ideal. This is the best place to have Jollibee here in Baler. If you want to come to the real Jollibee with the spiciness, come to Baler. Come to Baler.
Pineapple. Yung kayo, yung without ice.
Yeah. Man, there we go. Oh man, this is. This is. Huh? Wait. Is Tito super spicy? Hold on, is Tito super spicy? Oh no. So I got the super spicy.
No. It's only spicy. That's okay. That one is too spicy.
Wow, man, I got the super spicy. And if Mark Wayne, you're watching this in the future or something, this is what I call super spicy. We requested for extra. It's more than the flag. It's just like 3 to 4 times of this flag. You need 3 or 4 of this flag. And it's spicy. Oh man. Huh? Wow. No, not really. This is the first time in a long time. Yeah. First time I had this spicy in a long time. We're loving it. Look, even Titaron's loving it. Woo. It's great. I'm gonna going to taste your one? Not yet. It's good. They're all eating, but none of them can eat as spicy as what we can. It's good. My lips already. Yeah. Alright. She's not Filipino, okay? She's from Nepal, so she knows what spicy is supposed to be. Alright? Wow. It's good. It's good. Now this is what we're talking about, yeah? Yeah, this is it. Spiciness here in Baler, or pretty much ask them in. Oh man, I'm gonna finish this meal. It's good. What can you say about the real
I can't talk.
spicy?
I can't talk. So
It's a bit red. They're missing out. If you love spiciness, this is it.
yeah, that's too spicy.
Double check it. It says super spicy. Super spicy.
Tonto was saying something.
Yes, Tito? This is great.
I've got a headache.
Love it. What do you say? What do you rate it as?
It's headachy.
KFC versus Jollibee versus Red Rooster versus roasted chicken.
Jollibee.
Jollibee.
No, Burger King.
No, there's no chicken there. No, we're no, here. But
Not
here in Australia. There's no chicken in Australia. Yeah. So you rate number 1? Jollibee. Number 2?
KFC.
Number 3?
McDonald's.
McDonald's here. You don't like Red Rooster. McDonald's chicken is still good.
It's just not my favorite.
Yeah. But overall, Jollibee's great.
Spicy.
So what we're at now, we found like a nice club singing by RJ. We got here the crew. We walked like 500 plus meters. So 600, almost 700 meters actually, going back. Just having a look at this place, so it's gonna be pretty cool actually. There's nice bikes and good environment.
Ang aking pangako na ang pag-ibig ko lang sa'yo kahit maputi, kahit maputi, kahit maputi
So, we got fresh buko. Since it's near the beach, I'm hoping that it is sweet. Majority of the time we haven't had fresh sweet buko. Never. Let's give it a go. It's sweeter than the rest though. Lots of it. Sweeter. If it was cold, it's gonna be sweeter. If you guys come to Baler, check this out. You'll have a look at this one. We're riding it right now. Where we stayed. Oh, well, not stayed, but we had nice acoustic music here, and now we're just going out. You know, this is the pretty cool view here, you know. The hotel's here, so you can't be too loud. It says, quiet please. Man, I can only think about how annoying it would be having so many people right here. Just right here. Yeah, it's nice. It's really nice and clean, and you got the nice bikes here. Yeah, it's really very classical because the ride here is amazing. The road coming here. Yeah, it reminds me of Putty Road or Putty Road in Australia. But this is way more. I don't know how many curves it has. Probably 100 plus. 100 plus curves, right? It's like for how many hours? The roads are nice and it's all tarmac, so it's good to give it. Yeah. So it's fun. We had absolutely enjoyed. Pretty cool. Yeah, great job here. So cool. Oh, they have a small swimming pool here, but our one's a big one. Whoa, look at the water. The water came all the way to the end. Yeah. Sweet. We're going to be going all the way that way.